In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GetResponse for email marketing effectively, all within just 5 minutes. We'll walk through the entire process, making it easy for you to get started on creating engaging email campaigns. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser and searching for GetResponse. Once you've found the official website, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up and follow their registration process. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the GetResponse dashboard, your command center for all things email marketing. First up, let's create a new contact list. This is essential for organizing your subscribers efficiently. Think of it as your central hub where all your contacts are neatly categorized. Once your contact list is set up, you'll have a couple of ways to populate it. You can import existing contacts from a file if you have them, manually add them one by one, or even create a list-building funnel using sign-up forms. These forms are perfect for attracting new subscribers directly. Subdivision is key in email marketing, and GetResponse makes this easy with tags. Use tags to break down your contacts into smaller groups, such as by interests or geographical location. This way, you can send more targeted campaigns that resonate better with each subgroup within your audience. Next, it's time to navigate to the Email Marketing tab. Here, you'll have options to create a newsletter or set up an autoresponder. Clicking on Create Newsletter will open up a host of options to set up your email campaign. The first thing you'll need to do is give your message an internal name. Choose something clear and memorable as it helps with organization. Specify your sender and reply to addresses, ensuring they are recognizable to your audience, and craft a compelling subject line. A good subject line can significantly influence open rates. Then, step into the creative zone by selecting a template or starting from scratch. The drag-and-drop editor is user-friendly, allowing you to add images, text, and call-to-action buttons seamlessly to design an attractive email. Remember to add personalization, like using the recipient's name, to make your emails feel more engaging and personal. It's these little touches that can make a big difference in how your email is received. Finally, decide when to send your email. You can choose to send it immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time, a handy feature for aligning with your audience's optimal engagement times. And that's it. You're now equipped with the basics of using GetResponse for your email marketing needs. With a bit of practice, you'll be crafting effective campaigns that captivate and convert. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.